Hi, welcome to Drive With Care. I'm out and about because that's the only reason I do my Drive With Care videos, but I find myself the other side of the country. I'm in Somerset at the moment. I'll be in Devon tonight and then I'll be in Hampshire tomorrow, so I'm doing a video for my other channel and it's a location video, so I need to be out and about. So I'm going to knock out quite a few videos, I think, for the driving channel at the same time. So I'm just parked outside Lansdown in Somerset and we're heading to Bath. Ooh, the ancient city of Bath. It's about 5 miles from here. Sat-nav says 11 minutes. So why not knock out a quick video on a road I've never been on before? So this will be interesting, and I need the sat-nav because I don't know where I am. So it's one of those things of, you know, really being vigilant, especially when you don't know what the roads are like. And also following the sat-nav because you don't know what direction you're going. Gloriously sunny day here in Somerset. Somerset. Dorset. Or am I in Dorset or Devon tonight? Where's Lyme Regis? Could be Devon. I think it's Devon. Could be Dorset. 40 mile an hour zone. Accompanied horses. Junction on the left. It's great when you don't know a road, but you get all the signs right. So I'll help you. No road studs. No Chippendales here then, girls. I think we're stuck behind a tractor. I'm not sure how many videos I'll be able to do, because it's just a question, because I have to drive from Bath to Lyme Regis after this, after I've done my stuff in Bath, and I think that's about an hour's drive. I'm certainly not going to do an hour-long video. That would be painful to watch and painful to edit, as well as painful to record. But I might find a couple of locations en route and go from like C to D and then D to E, that kind of thing. We'll see. We want the channel to continue to grow, don't we? So in order to do that, I have to put videos out. Still a 40. No, it's 50 zone now. I'm looking on the sat-nav. Oh no, it says 40 on there on the repeater. Sat-nav says 50. You know when you get the little light icon to show you what speed you're allowed to do. I'm going to stick at 40. Ignore the sat-nav. Or obey the sat-nav at your peril. I'm driving into the sun. Perhaps not a good idea. Lovely looking tower on the right there. Not sure if the camera's picking it up. Pedestrianese into a 30 zone. Kingswood Sports Centre, Bath. So I guess we're on the outskirts of Bath, aren't we? Oh, it says welcome to Bath. So it wasn't very long to drive into the World Heritage City. There's a lot of accompanied horses around here, aren't there? I've got my first location for my video shoot programmed into the sat-nav, so I'm going to a place called Sydney Place, which again I have no idea where it is. Is it in the heart of the city? Is it on the outskirts? Yeah, the video is for my Jane Austen the video is a Jane Austen video, and it's called Walking in Jane Austen's Footsteps, and I will put a link up here. It's this video down there, because by the time this video goes out I will have released it. So if you're interested in Jane Austen, or you're interested in just my walkabouts, which, you know, covers a vast amount of area with that video, then pop along and have a watch. But that's why I'm going here today. Because Jane Austen lived in Bath, in 4 or 5 places, I believe. No one at the crossing. Got a van coming out, odd little camper. Car turned left. Scaffolding lorry spilling out onto the road there. I wonder if Bath sits in the middle of a valley, because I'm going down and I can see the hills on the other side.
After 300 yards, bear right.
Bear right in 300 yards. I'm going to increase the volume so you can all hear it.
Yards, bear right. Lansdown Road.
Give way in 90 yards. We've got humped crossing. Six minutes to destination. Starting to see all the old buildings. Look at these. It's almost like the Cotswolds, which is north of the M20, the M4. Kind of spills down through Gloucestershire and into this region of Somerset. Because they all look like the same kind of colour stones, but these are all Regency period buildings, aren't they? The Georges, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 consecutive regnal numbers for 4 kings, all with the same name. Oh, I've got a bus coming up here. He's indicating. Nothing to my left. Being extra vigilant on roads that I'm not familiar with. Keep in low gear. Oh, this is fascinating. Reminds me of Matlock, actually. Zebra crossing, no one waiting. Quite narrow roads here. Road narrows on the right and no footway.
After 200 yards, turn left, Kinner Lane, then go straight on.
Into a 20 zone. Got a removal van on the left there. Yeah, it's the removal lorry that's holding us up.
After 80 yards, turn left, Kinner Lane, then go straight on.
We want to turn left just after the van, actually. We should go after the motorcycle.
Turn left,
Look at these
Kinner
old
Lane,
glorious
then
buildings.
go straight on, A4, Paragon.
I want to go down the hill. One-way street. Wow, look at the architecture here.
After 80 yards, go straight on.
Give way. Oh, it's my right. Roundabout ahead and zebra crossing. We're going straight down that road there.
Cross the roundabout. First exit, A4, London Road. Then take the third right.
If that was in a German accent, that would have sounded awful, wouldn't it? Take the Third Reich. What goes through your head, Tudor? This car on my right is blocking the oncoming traffic, so... Oh, look at that. He just... frightful. I'm going right, so I want to get in that lane.
After 80 yards, turn right, A36, Cleveland Place. Turn right.
I will turn right. You have my word. 2 minutes to destination. Can't be far along here then. Weak bridge. Just down here somewhere we will stop.
After 300 yards, keep right, then turn right.
Lily's turning. I'll see how I feel about doing another Bath drive. It might be that I leave Bath and go somewhere en route to Lyme Regis, but it does look a bit congested and it might not be an enjoyable drive. I'm turning right at the top here. Green light.
Street, then turn right, Sydney Place.
Turn right, Sydney Place.
You have reached your destination on your right.
I want to go right into there. Sydney Place. Guys, let me through. Thank you very much. This isn't where I wanted to go, but I'm going to stop here if I can find a space. Daniel Street, Henrietta Gardens and Mews. Let's stop down here. Do a little parallel parky. Yay for reverse things. Well, there you go. A little drive into Bath from Lansdown, I think I was, just at the top of the hill. Not what I was expecting, but then when you're in a location that you don't know, and you're doing a video like this, but equally when you're just driving about, then it's kind of foreign territory. You don't know anyway. You're not sure what to expect. So that's a good reason to do a little drive like this, so that you just kind of hone those senses, vigilance, awareness, observation, all of that stuff. Stay tuned, because I think I'll have quite a few of these little drives out in the next couple of days. Well, not out to you, but I'll record them in the next couple of days. Bye for now. Drive with care.